Hello everyone. Today, we are testing a custom-made electric high-lift truck designed for warp knitting machines. This truck is electrically driven and operates stably, even with a 1,500 kilograms load. It can be easily operated by a single person, saving labor, while reducing safety risks. A single wheel inching function allows for easy movement without spatial constraints, while the EPS system ensures agile handling and stable operation, even during L-shaped turns. It features one-touch lifting up to a maximum height of 4.2 meters, along with a side shift function for precise positioning, saving both time and effort. If you'd like to know more, please follow us and leave a comment.